Hi, welcome to another session of Road 200 Con questions. What is the area of a region bounded by the lines given to you? So, one is you can draw and find out. That's one way of doing it. First, try to form the lines. How do you form the lines? So, when your mod sign, when you open it, it can be either positive or negative. Let's say both are positive. If both are positive, you get x plus 2 plus y minus 2 equal to 4, which becomes x plus y equal to 4. Suppose both are negative, then you get minus x plus 2 minus y minus 2 equal to 4. If you solve this, you'll get x plus y equal to minus 4. Plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled anyway. So minus x minus y equal to 4. So x plus y is minus 4. If you notice, these two are parallel lines. Now let's take first positive, second negative. X plus 2 is positive, but y minus 2 is negative. Here you will get x minus y is equal to 0. Reverse, x negative, y positive. You will get x minus y, if you look at it, will give you minus 8, because it becomes minus x plus y equal to 8. So x minus y is minus 8. Again, if you look at these two are parallel. If you know, then these are 45-degree angle line. X plus y slope is minus 1, the 45-degree line. These are also 45-degree line. So basically, let's look at distance between these two parallels. So what is the distance between these two parallels? It is nothing but c1 minus c2 upon root of a square plus b square, which is 8 upon root of 1 plus 1, which is root 2, 8 root 2. Same addition between these two parallels also is same. So 8 upon root of 2, c1 minus c2 upon mod of c1 minus c2 actually. Root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 2. Now if you look at it, since they both are 45-degree angle, they form a square. So area of the square is nothing but distance. This is a figure formed. So this line is 8 upon root 2. This line is 8 upon root 2. So area will be multiplication over 2. So 8 upon root 2 into 8 upon root 2, which will give you 32 as the answer. C option. Train and bus are moving in the same direction, the speed of A and B. So train A, bus B. A man walking in a train at the speed of C in a direction opposite to the train. So he's in the train, but he's walking opposite to the train, C. Right? So technically, when you calculate from the ground, let me say from the ground, the bus is moving at b kilometers per hour, but the man is moving at, he's moving in this direction C. So technically, he's moving at A minus C on this direction. So he's in the train, so train is moving, and then he's walking the opposite direction. So his net speed is A minus C, because train and the man are moving in the opposite direction. So the net speed of both these put together, because they're going in the same direction, is difference of the two. Okay, what's the time taken to cross? Time taken to cross is length upon relative speed. Because they're going in the same direction, relative speed is b minus a minus c, which is b minus a plus c. Sorry, which will come to either B or D option. Sorry, B or A option. What is the length? Now, length is nothing but a bus. The bus has to cross the man. So, length of the bus is the length that has to be crossed. So, that means the length will be K, B option, not a train. So, we want a bus to cross that is K, bus which is K to cross the man. So, length he has to cross is the K. So, K. That will be the answer. Right? I'll repeat this again. Since the train and the man goes in the opposite direction, so when I look at the ground, the train is going forward at A, the man is going backwards at C. So net speed will be A minus C, going in this direction. Whereas speed of the bus is B. Because they're going in the same direction, the time taken to overtake, is length upon relative speed. Length here is length of the bus, because bus has to overtake the man. And relative speed is difference in the speed, B minus A minus C. So if you calculate it, you will get the answer is B option. Normally functions is a substitution. I mean, these type of sums also come in the exam. So fx, let's take the initial f of fx is 2x minus a. Okay, overall upon f. Substitute this fx as 2x minus a. F of 2x minus a is how much? That is, then we got 2 into 2x minus a. So instead of x, we'll write 2x minus a, 4x minus 2a minus a, or 4x minus 3a. Substitute out here, you want f of 4x minus 3a, which is nothing but 2 into 4x minus 3a minus a. 8x minus 6a minus a, you'll get 8x minus 7a, which is A option. That will be the answer. Clear? Liquids A, B, C are mixed in a ratio 2:3:5. A and B are added, so mixture becomes 5:3:2. So C is same. The first step is to make C same. So multiply this by 2 to make it 10. Multiply this by 5 to make C 10, because we want to make C same. So it becomes 4, 6, 10, and this becomes 25, 15, 10. So how much of liquid A is added? 21. How much of liquid B is added? 9. So 21:9, or you get 7:3. B option. 40 bottles contains poisonous. One of the water bottles contains poisonous liquid, which makes the body turn red. The liquids in other bottles, though look the same, had no such effect. In order to identify poisonous bottle, guinea pigs are used. Guinea pigs can drink the contents of as many bottles as we make them a drink. The effect of poison will not get diluted. What is the minimum number of guinea pigs? One way of looking at each guinea pigs can either drink a bottle or not drink a bottle. So 2 ways. So 1 guinea pig, 2 ways. If you have second guinea pig, again 2 ways. Third guinea pig, either 2 ways. So number of ways that are possible for guinea pigs is 2 into 2 into 2. So if you have 5 guinea pigs, it will be 2:5, 32 ways. But I want 40. So technically it should be 6 guinea pigs, 2:6. Okay, that's one way of understanding, because 2:6 is 64. So it should be between 32 and 64, 40. So we need 6 guinea pigs. Because with 5 guinea pigs, you can maximum identify 32 bottles. Okay, how other way of solving? The other way of solving is, let's see you have only 1 guinea pig. So how many bottles can you test with the 1 guinea pig? 2 bottles. You can either 2 bottles, 1 bottle you feed him, 1 bottle you don't. 1 bottle you feed him, 1 bottle you don't. So 2 bottles. Suppose there are 2 guinea pigs. How many bottles can you test? So I don't feed 1 bottle to both of them. I feed 1 bottle to first, not to second. I feed 1 bottle to second, not to first. And I feed 1 bottle to both of them. So if both of them get red, then the first bottle. Second gets red, second bottle. First one gets red, third bottle. No one gets red, then fourth bottle. So 4 people I can test with 2 guinea pigs. So 1 guinea pig is 2. 2 guinea pigs is 4. Let's try with 3 guinea pigs. Not to any one of them. To give one of them 3 ways. Any one of them. Okay. To give one of them 3 ways. To give 2 of them again 3 ways. 3C2, 3 ways. And to give all of them 1 way. So total again 8 ways. So 3 guinea pigs I can check 8. Look at the pattern. 1 is 2, 2 is 4, which is 2 square. 3 is 8, which is 2 cube. With 4 guinea pigs I can check 16, 2⁴. 5 guinea pig I can check 32. So it means I'll require 6 guinea pigs to check 40. So answer will be 6. Thank you.